Hello crafty friends, my name's Alicia, but you can call me Crafty Al, and it is time for the monthly SheetLoad showcase. I hope you'll stick around to get a look at what my team of collaborators created using the September 2023 SheetLoad of Cards. Thank you so much for stopping by today. If this is your first time to my channel, I hope that by the end of this video, you'll be inspired to click on that subscribe button below and ring the bell for notifications. If you're already a subscriber and regular viewer, welcome back. I'm so glad that you're here again. Each month, I like to stop by and share a look with you at what my team of collaborators have created with the newest SheetLoad of Cards. This month, that is September 2023, which if you remember was an extra special month. It is the 50th SheetLoad I have shared here on YouTube, and it's the first time we've ever made 5x7 cards. Now, if you haven't yet seen the debut video where I tell you how to download the free printable, or the process video where I show you how I made my first set, I will have both of those linked in that description box below. Now, after seeing all of the beautiful cards in today's video, if you're interested in finding out more about one or two or a few of them, I will have everybody's YouTube channel and Instagram account linked in that description box below. I know that they would love for you to stop by, see what they created, and leave them some love. Before I get to their cards, I want to share another set that I've already made this month. I created this set of cards last weekend during a live stream. I used a couple pieces of Minte paper that were more background scenes that you might not normally think you're going to use on cards. But I did give it a go and had a fun time chatting along with you as I created them. If you didn't see that live stream and would like to check out the replay, guess where that will be linked? Yep, in that description box below. You might have noticed as I was laying them out here on my desktop that I did switch some of them up by either leaving off the strip or moving the sentiment around. As always, SheetLoad is a great jumping off point for you to make the cards your own. Why don't we go ahead now and take a look at my collaborators' cards. Up first today is Lisa, who is at Scrapbook Girl over on Instagram, and I want to give her, as well as the whole team, an extra special shout out this month. I know that the 5x7s worried me a little bit, and I kind of thought I would have a lot of artists who'd be like, you know what, this is the month I'm going to take off. But you know what? Every single one of my collaborators participated and knocked it out of the park. With Lisa's cards, I am loving those papers she chose and that scallop semicircle for her sentiment. Mariah, who is at Fuzzy Slippers Designs on Instagram, also did a fun scallop semicircle, but she actually used pattern papers for hers and moved her sentiment to that strip across the middle. So fun, and I love the cute Halloween papers. Noemi, who shares over on Instagram as at AZCrafty, created a set of beautiful fall cards this month. I love the fun focal points and papers, and especially those cute little gnomes. Sandy, who shares on Instagram as at StampWithSandy, shared this set of beautiful cards. The sentiments are for lots of different occasions, and I like those scenic pattern papers she chose for her centerpieces on each one. And our first YouTube team member of the showcase is Teresa, who shares on the Fresh and Renewed with Teresa channel. This month she has created some fun fall cards featuring ephemera for her focal points. I love those cute little ladies. And speaking of ephemera, I do have a little shout out for myself, and that is that I'm one of the presenters at the upcoming Stress-Free Card Making Summit. This is all about making your holiday cards with 5 supplies or less. For my presentation, I'm going to be showing you how you can use your ephemera to create quick, cute, and easy cards. So make sure, if you haven't yet already, that you check out my promo video to find out how you can get registered for your free, yes, F-R-E-E free ticket to the event. I will have that linked in the description box below. Up next is Toby, who is Biddy Penny here on YouTube, and some of you already pointed it out in your comments, but 5x7 is her favorite card size, and many months she will convert the A2 sketch to that size. Well, this month was made especially for her, it seems like. She has created this fabulous set of cards with such fun focal points and papers on there. Yvette of the Yvette Olea Creates channel made a set of Christmas cards using the September 2023 sheet load. I am loving those craft card bases, the variety of pattern papers, and how she stamped on that strip going across the center. So fun. Amalia from the Cool Cakes and Crafts with Amalia YouTube channel has taken a break from her usual paper pads and given us some cute but spooky Halloween cards this month. I love the pattern papers, how she has tied in those little candy corn accents, and that moon made a perfect semicircle. Ashley of the Mint Twist Cards YouTube channel has used the September 2023 sheet load to make a set of birthday cards. I love the color she chose and how she has that floral center with the outside being polka dots. And we have another spooky cute set, and this comes from Beth of the Bourbon Creek Crafts YouTube channel. I love the cute images and papers and how she has used those tag cut-aparts for her focal points. Great idea and cute cards. Carmen, who shares here on YouTube at the Choose Joy with Carmen channel, created these beautiful spiritual cards this month. Make sure to watch her video to find out more about how she created that custom focal point and what she plans on doing with her 5x7 cards. Chelsea, who is Creative Chelsea here on YouTube, has created a set of gorgeous autumn cards. I'm loving those leaves, the texture with the embossing on the background, and how she has used burlap ribbon in place of that center strip. Karen, who shares here on YouTube at Karen's Crafting Company channel, has created a set of beautiful fall gratitude cards. I love how she has used those sunflower pieces in place of the semicircle and the acorns on her sentiment strip. So fun. Wasn't that such an inspiring showcase? If you agreed, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Now don't forget to go visit some of your favorites using those links in the description box. And until next time, I hope you're all having a crafty day. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch all the way to the end of the video. I hope now you'll consider clicking on one of the videos or playlists I have linked above. And if you are interested in any of the products or tools I used in today's video, I do have some links in the description box below.